I'm Craftmaster, and today we are going to make an ear warmer with the bow. You know about the 4 bows, and you can make it in any color you want and any size you want. And please like and subscribe and comment down below in which color are you going to make this lady ear warmer. Let's begin. So you will need some yarn, I'm using pink one, and some knitting needles, I'm using 2.5 meters. The ear warmer size is head size minus 20% plus half of a head size minus 3 centimeters. The last measurements are the bow size. Now I am casting 17 stitches. And this will be the width of the headband. This pattern is very simple. You should start by slipping the first stitch and knitting all the rest of them. In total, 16 stitches. The second row is the same, so we are slipping the first stitch and knitting all the rest of them. And now I am making the band size. My band size is 48 centimeters. It's about right size, and now it's time to fasten it up. And I'm fastening it off by slipping one stitch, knit the second and pulling the first over. You repeat until you are finished fastening off all stitches. Cut off the yarn and fasten it off and pull in the ends. Fold in half. Now it's time to make the bow. We are doing that by measuring the 7 centimeters in my case and sewing them together like this. Now pull in the string. Now take some yarn and you're almost finished. Wrap it around your headband and secure the yarn. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it. If you have Instagram or TikTok, make sure you tag me so I can see your creation, and bye, see you next time.